Hello friends, welcome to another video where I've been showing how I made my Sunday sneakers shoe. In today's video I'll be showing how to tape a shoe, how to tape it round with a leather, a very light leather. That's what I'm using for this video, to tape the shoe. So now we are going to cut out a tape that I will use in taping the shoe. It's about 1.5 inch wide, so you can make it as long as 15 inches or 12 inches. It depends on the size of shoe you are making. So I'm going to cut. You just need straps of it. I'm going to tape the upper, the leather round. I'm done with the stitching. Now I'm going to trim off the excess leather. There's a tiny part of it. I'm going to trim it off so that I can be able to fold it properly. I'm going to apply gum on the tape. I'm going to apply it round. So I'm taking my time to put gum on the edges so that when I'm folding it will be easier for me to fold it. So I'll turn it to the other side and apply gum. After applying the gum, I will wait for it to dry off before I'll fold it. I'll wait for like a minute before I'll fold it. So the gum has dried up, so now I can fold it. I have to cut that point, just notch it with my scissors so that I can properly fold that point very well. Now I'll fold the tape. Please, if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing, like and share our videos. Please turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post any video you always see it. And if you have not watched my other video where I showed how I made the pattern of this shoe, you can watch the video later, or if you want to watch it now, you can go and watch it and come back to this video. Thank you. So now I'm done with the folding. I'm now going to hit it with hammer. I believe you enjoyed this video. If you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing. Like and share our videos, and turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you'll always see it. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.